We have done a lot of cases through the years because every year we do 4,000 to 6,000 new matters. That includes all our consults, our cases around the country, around the world, and all the work permits we got, the deportation, the filings, the asylum, the green cards, the extraordinary. There are quite a few cases that came back to my mind. One of that is my U.S. Sitting President Obama's auntie's case. She's a woman in the 60s. I met her right before the election of the president, and because of the press and because, at that time we don't know if he'll win, so we are very careful of not letting the public know that I'm working on this case. She's really an awesome lady. Of course, my partner talked about my firm also working with the uncle's case. Uncle and auntie are so different, even though genetically they belong to the same family. Uncle is a lot more reserved, a lot more, you have to add, he's very gentle. Auntie is very more feisty and making sure things are done right. So it's two different personalities. And as I said through the years, to work with clients, you have to work with them on because immigration work is very different from corporate or tax, because the vision, of course, is keep them in America, get them a work permit, and get them a green card. But you also have to work with that person. It's a very retail, as I said, in the industry. It's not a wholesale practice. It's a very retail orientated, which means that with her, with the public uproar, that we get special treatment? Absolutely no. In fact, it drove me nuts. It's easier to work on a low profile case than a high profile, because I know all my lawyer fellow friends are watching me. I know the government is watching. I know the right wing, the left wings, they're all watching. And in order to be a good lawyer or a great lawyer, you really have to work in the trenches for years and years. As Gladwell said in The Outliers, that you have to give them at least 10,000 hours of core competence of hard work. And I've done it for 38 years, 36 years. So, but with Auntie's case, we won, which is Auntie's case, it's difficult because of the pressure, because of the visibility, and also because of the law. She didn't come to America until the 90s. In immigration work, generally, the older you came to America, the longer ago you came to America, the better the case is, because laws have since changed. So, and I'm the type of lawyer to work it because I'm not young enough to not know history. But I'm not that old that I forgot.